Once more, put your hands together for J1, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, everybody. Are we good? Thank you.
The business is everybody's responsibility. We'll take a look at Lagos curriculum. All out there is about the demand on the road, which constitutes 90% of the transport needs in the country. To control is more difficult than to control other needs, like the small workers controlling people behind you, they are following you. Then we can see us waiting for the right 9.2%. That's right. It's a huge
Sultan Larry Fasasi. It's football. Now we're about to change it to a beauty.
And immediately they know that they are under watch, they will not be able to carry out that project.
And site to get house help. And at the end of the day, the house help have to do away with the children. We should wake up to our own safety. Security is everyone's business right now. You don't just wait and say, oh, it is not my business. We all shout abroad because if anything is happening in one house, the other person in the other house calls on the police. And when the police come, they arrest. But right here, even when you are hearing, loud noise in the other house, you don't care because you don't want them to call you out above. And then the other morning you wake up, domestic servants. You just bring them into. Please ensure that you have consultation with the Nigerian Police Force or the DSM.
YouTube channel Boa TV. You guys might think I'm not serious. Let me show you guys I'm really serious. Please subscribe to our channel Boa TV. Don't forget to visit our website boa.com for our latest videos and shows. Thank you.
And this is how you can subscribe to our channel. Below the video, you will see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. Beside the subscribe button, click on the bell also. This will notify you once we drop a new video.